In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a phone call in Zoho CRM. We're going to keep this simple and practical. The easiest way to get a call logged in Zoho CRM is to place the call directly from the contact's record. When you do, the system associates the conversation with the right person automatically, so you don't have to backfill details later. Start by opening Zoho CRM and navigating to your Contacts module. From the main navigation, choose Contacts to see your list. This view shows the people or companies you work with, along with key fields like phone numbers and email addresses. If you're working with a long list, use the search bar to quickly find who you need. Typing just a few characters of the name or company usually brings up matching results right away. Select the contact you want to call by clicking their name to open the full record. This is the hub for everything related to that person: notes, emails, tasks, and past calls. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right record and that the phone field is populated. If multiple numbers are listed, decide which one you want to use. The primary number is often highlighted near the top of the record. It's a good habit to glance at recent activity in the timeline so you're calling with context and can reference any previous conversations. Next to the phone number, look for the small phone icon. Click that icon to start the call using your connected telephony system within Zoho CRM. When the call panel opens, keep it visible while you talk. The panel links the call to this specific contact and ensures it appears on the timeline. As you're speaking, jot down quick notes in the description area, key points, decisions, or follow-ups. When the conversation ends, the call will be captured on the contact's record with the date and duration, along with any notes you entered. This creates a reliable history that you and your team can refer to later. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth. If you don't see the phone icon, your telephony integration may not be enabled for your user, or your browser might be blocking microphone access. Check permissions and ask your admin if needed. Also, confirm your headset and network are working before you click to call, so the log reflects a successful conversation. That's all there is to it. Open Contacts, select the right record, and click the phone icon beside the number. Your call gets logged where it belongs, and your CRM stays clean, accurate, and up to date.